Since 1909, Horn Engineering has been involved in the design, development and manufacture of thermostatic control valves. In the early 1920s, we developed the world's first blending valve to mix hot water with cold to provide safe and comfortable warm water for bathing and showering. Since then, we have continued to innovate, and our Building Better Healthcare Award for the Optitherm thermostatic tap recognises this. In the early 1990s, we developed our first thermostatic shower valve. We know that ease of installation and maintenance are important to specifiers, so we developed a pre-plumbed shower panel with integral thermostatic shower valve. The panels are quick and easy to install and straightforward to maintain. Horn shower panels are suitable for use in healthcare, secure, commercial and recreational environments. They are constructed of highly durable materials for an extended lifespan, and they can be fully disassembled for recycling at the end of their life. The ease of installation and maintenance allows both initial and lifetime costs to be calculated with confidence. All maintenance can be done from a low level in accordance with the work at height regulations of 2005. The thermostatic mixing valves comply with a performance standard set by NHS Model Engineering Specification D08 and are certified as Type 3 TMVs. Water-saving features mean that Horn shower panels are included on the Water Technology List, part of the Enhanced Capital Allowances scheme managed by DEFRA. The panels are easy to clean and tolerant of abuse. The range is versatile, ensuring that you can specify the best shower panel for any application. For healthcare, we recommend shower panels that allow the user to control both the water temperature and flow duration. The dual-control shower valve can be specified with optional levers to cater for users with reduced hand mobility and to comply further with BS 8300 for inclusive design. A ligature-resistant cowl can also be specified if needed. Shower head options comprise a riser bar, single-function handset and hose, 3-pattern variable handset and hose, fixed swivel head for directional flow, and a fixed vandal and ligature-resistant shower head. If exposed pipework above the shower panel needs to be covered, for example where it may pose a ligature risk, the profile of the panel can be extended to the ceiling using a pipe cover. Alternatively, all panel options are available with concealed water supplies via flexible hose to the rear of the panel. In secure environments, we recommend a push-button timed flow control for water conservation with a fixed water temperature. The fixed vandal and ligature-resistant shower head is paired with an anti-vandal push button, which can also be supplied with a ligature-resistant bezel. Further security may be achieved with water supplied to the rear of the panel. In recreational environments, we recommend shower panels with a push-button timed flow control to ensure water conservation. Panels can be supplied with pre-mixed water or have an integral mixing valve. If users prefer to determine the temperature themselves, we have a combined push-button with temperature control valve, available with a fixed vandal-resistant shower head or a fixed swivel head. Options without user temperature control, but with separate hot and cold supplies, are available with a fixed swivel head or a riser bar, hose and 3-pattern variable handset. Shower panels that feature an integral thermostatic mixing valve can be supplied with equipotential bonded supply pipework if required. A recent addition to the range of Horn shower panels is the dual outlet shower. It is of particular benefit in mental health and other secure settings. The shower can be used in 2 modes to facilitate unassisted or assisted showering, thus offering substantial versatility and potentially replacing 2 separate shower rooms. For unassisted showering, the user turns the shower on at the flow control and adjusts the temperature as normal. In this mode, the water flows out via the fixed vandal-resistant shower head. For assisted showering, the handset and hose is attached by simply screwing it, by hand, into the ligature-resistant outlet at the side of the panel. When the shower is turned on, the integral diverter valve automatically directs the flow to the hose and handset. Hot and cold water pipe drops may be installed prior to fitting the shower panel. Remove the panel end caps and then position the panel at the correct height and mark the position of the hole in the top bracing strut. Drill a hole at the position marked, fit the support screw and hang the panel. Ensuring that the panel is hanging true and at the appropriate height, mark and then drill the 4 support holes. Attach the panel to the wall, refit the end caps and connect the supply pipes to the drops. For installations where it is preferred that the supply pipework is hidden, the profile of the panel can be extended to the ceiling using a pipe cover. The pipe cover has a maximum length of 940 mm, but can be cut to size to suit any situation. Instead of fitting the panel's top end cap, attach the width brace and then the gasket and alignment pins. Cut the pipe cover to the appropriate length. Slide the pipe cover down into place, engaging with the alignment pins and the gasket. Position the cuff over the gap with the hole in its lower position, then mark the hole's position on the pipe cover. Remove the cover and drill a hole at the position marked. Reassemble the pipe cover and cuff, then mark the wall to drill a hole for the screw provided. Attach the cuff and pipe cover to the wall using the security screw, taking care not to tighten it excessively. As part of the commissioning process and ongoing maintenance, the supply pipework must be flushed through at full bore to remove any debris or biofilm that may have built up. This will protect the valve mechanism and shower outlet from harm and is in accordance with Scotland's Water Bylaws of 2000 and BS 6700/1997 for England and Wales. Remove the bottom end cap and then, using a standard hex key, isolate the hot and cold water supplies at the integral low-level service valves. Remove the cold strainer cap and basket, then insert the flushing adapter and connect the hose. Reopen the cold water supply and flush into the drain until the water runs clear. Isolate the cold supply. Remove the flushing hose and adapter. Replace the strainer cap and basket. Repeat this process to flush the hot water supply. Reopen both water supplies at the low-level service valves and replace the bottom end cap. The same process may also be used to collect water samples as prescribed in Health Technical Memorandum 0401 from the Department of Health. All Horn shower valves are factory set to a 41 degrees centigrade maximum. However, the temperature should be checked and set to match the prevailing water conditions on site, during first commissioning and after any maintenance. With the user temperature control set fully counterclockwise, remove its cap and turn the shower on. Record the temperature at the shower head. Then, using a screwdriver, adjust the temperature setting of the valve. For precise details, refer to the user instructions. It is important to check the correct function of the shower valve during commissioning and periodically to determine if any maintenance is required. Performance can be verified by a cold water supply failure test. Turn the shower on, then isolate the cold water supply. If the valve is functioning correctly, isolation of the cold water supply will result in the valve closing the hot supply so that very hot water will not reach the outlet where it might pose a scalding risk. It is important to recognise that routine testing, water sampling and maintenance does not require access to service voids or ducts, which may compromise infection control and conflict with the delivery of healthcare. Horn shower panels all feature internal flow regulators that reduce the flow rate over a range of inlet pressures. Showers that utilise the push-button time flow control also aid in reducing wastage of hot water. In addition, the shower panels have been designed and built with sustainability in mind. With the correct maintenance, Horn shower panels should continue to operate over an extended lifetime, and at the end of this lifespan, a panel can easily be uninstalled for reuse or disassembled into its constituent parts and materials for recycling. The TSV1 range of shower panels from Horn Engineering: versatile, robust and cost-effective.